A package was delivered from space to Earth today, May 2023. Let's find out what it is. This is footage of the SpaceX Dragon capsule that successfully splashed down off the coast of Florida earlier this morning. Inside this capsule was a very special package that was sent all the way from the International Space Station, and after spending a few months up there, it finally made its way back home. So let's watch as this thing is lifted out of the capsule. This is incredible. You can see the contents of this package floating around inside the Dragon as it is slowly being pulled out. What an incredible sight. The reason why this package was sent up to the ISS in the first place was because there was no other way to get it there. It was a critical piece of equipment for the space station that was too large to fit inside the SpaceX Dragon, so it had to be attached to the exterior of the vehicle. The large size of this package really makes you wonder what could possibly be inside. It looks like a toolbox of some kind, but it's hard to say for sure. What we do know is that this was a resupply mission to the ISS. So whatever is inside this box likely has something to do with scientific research or experiments taking place on the space station. We also know that this particular Dragon capsule was carrying a total of 3,782 pounds or 1,645 kilograms of cargo. That makes this one of the heaviest payloads ever carried by a Dragon spacecraft. So whatever is inside this box definitely wasn't light. In fact, this entire mission was actually a test to see if SpaceX could deliver this much weight to the ISS without damaging the space station or its components. And thankfully, they were able to do so without any issues. SpaceX has been working closely with NASA to ensure that the Dragon capsule can be used for more than just crew transportation. It's also becoming a vital tool for scientific research and exploration. For example, in addition to transporting cargo, the Dragon capsule can now carry up to 12,000 pounds or 5,543 kilograms to low Earth orbit. This makes it one of the most versatile and powerful spacecraft ever built. In fact, the Dragon has already proven itself to be a reliable workhorse for SpaceX. In the past, it has delivered over 25 tons of cargo to the ISS, including important equipment for scientific research, experiments, and even spare parts. So now that this latest delivery has arrived safely, we can start to wonder what it might contain. One possibility is that it could be a new experiment for the International Space Station's External Experiment Structure, or EES. This is a platform on the outside of the station that provides a place for experiments to be conducted in the harsh environment of space. The EES has been used for all kinds of research, including studies of the effects of radiation and the growth of plants in zero gravity. So it's possible that the large toolbox was a new experiment to join the many others already taking place on the station. Another possibility is that the toolbox could be a new piece of equipment for the station's robotic arm. The Canadarm2 is a 17-meter-long robotic arm that is used to move objects around the station and assist with spacewalks. It's an essential tool for astronauts and cosmonauts, and it's possible that the large toolbox was a replacement part or an upgrade for the existing arm. Of course, we won't know for sure what was inside the toolbox until it is opened and the contents are revealed. But one thing is certain, it was an essential piece of equipment that needed to be delivered to the ISS in order for scientific research to continue. The successful delivery of the toolbox is a testament to the hard work of the engineers and scientists at SpaceX and NASA, who have been working hard to make the Dragon capsule one of the most versatile and reliable spacecraft ever built. As more and more research is conducted on the ISS, it is likely that we will see even more deliveries from SpaceX Dragon capsules, each one carrying important equipment and supplies to keep the station running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.